JetBlue welcomes you to Burbank, where the local time is 7 o'clock. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we reach the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins, as items do tend to move during flight. If you do need any assistance deplaning the aircraft, please remain comfortably seated once we arrive at the gate, so we may better assist you. For information on baggage claim, you can check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about TrueBlue, our loyalty program where you can earn points on all of your flights, starting with tonight's flight. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Boston-based crew, thank you for flying with us today.